So, well, different things. You can use piezoform. I've seen guys just go like this for the sacrum or pelvis, go straight. So try different things. You know, sometimes I'll just do that, or this, you know, where the hand, but I'll concentrate in that area that I want to go. Sometimes it's a little broader too, right? Bend the knees for me. Deep breath, blow it out. Big breath, blow it out. And out. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
So it's like it's almost like a robot. Now they were teaching us to go into it. So this is what I find. See, I'm still getting in.